In the fast-paced world of tech content creation, have you ever felt like you're constantly playing catch-up? You pour your heart and soul into crafting videos, hoping they'll go viral, only to see them disappear into the vast ocean of online content. It's frustrating, isn't it? The sleepless nights, the endless edits, the constant worry that your hard work might not pay off. We've all been there, watching our view counts stagnate while others seem to effortlessly climb the ranks of viral stardom. But what if I told you there's a way to turn those struggles into success stories? A tool that could revolutionize your content creation process, making viral tech videos not just a possibility, but a probability. Intrigued? You should be. Meet Wondershare Virbo AI, your new secret weapon in the battle for online attention. This isn't just another video editing tool. It's a game changer that's about to redefine how we create, edit, and share tech content online. Now, I know what you're thinking. Another AI tool? Haven't we seen it all before? Trust me, I've been in your shoes. I've tried countless tools promising the moon and delivering nothing but frustration. But Virbo AI, it's different. How different? Well, that's what we're here to explore. But first, let's get a topic we could use for this video. My technique for getting a topic is going to YouTube, then going to the top 2 channels of the niche. Example for this one, we will go to the channel of Mr. Who's The Boss and Marcus Brownlee. I see them talking about the Samsung Z Flip Fold 6, and it will be the one we are going to use as our topic. Now, let's go to Wondershare Virbo. All you need to do is download and install the software from the link in the description. So let's move creating the avatar onto step number 1. In Wondershare Virbo, you can see a complete list of avatars. You can choose from over 300 avatars. You can also browse through different categories like news anchor, avatars for marketing purposes, or just simple lifestyle types of avatars. And you guys can see the list goes on, but if you want to generate an avatar like what I am using right now, you have to click on this fixed background. And here you can see we have a male character and a female character in different clothing. Let's select this template, click on it, and select 9:16 ratio. Now you are going to see this screen. Just click on this icon at the button right here. And now you can generate an AI script seamlessly. Next, let's write this prompt to generate a short, engaging, motivational story of Samsung Z Flip or Fold 6. Then keep it in simple English and engaging. Now press expand and watch AI do the magic. Okay, so this version seems too long, but it is no problem now. We can just press shorten and let's yet again watch AI do the magic. Awesome. Let's go with the script. Now just copy the script. Okay, now let's choose the voice. Click right here. Now choose gender and language. Feel free to click around and choose what you want. And we are ready to turn this video into a viral masterpiece. First, paste the script in the text script. Next, cut the other part and just leave the intro like this. Then, click the plus icon and choose a layout. I prefer this. And paste the script again. Then import this video and edit its timing. For each sentence or feature, repeat this process until it is on the outro. Then hit export. We will just add some background music. And here is the final result.
Introducing the amazing Samsung Z Flip/Fold 6, where innovation meets elegance. Experience revolutionary advancements as this state-of-the-art device revolutionizes the smartphone industry like never before. With its sleek and durable design that demands attention and a camera that captures moments with breathtaking clarity, the Z Flip/Fold 6 sets a new benchmark for mobile technology. Get ready to be astonished by its unparalleled performance and game-changing features that will leave even the most demanding tech enthusiasts in awe. Embrace the future with the Samsung Z Flip/Fold 6 and stay one step ahead.
And there you have it, your ultimate guide to creating viral tech videos with Wondershare Virbo. With the power of Virbo at your fingertips, you're not just making videos, you're crafting compelling narratives that captivate and engage audiences. From seamless editing to eye-catching effects, you've got all the tools you need to stand out in the crowded tech space. So go ahead, unleash your creativity, and let Virbo help you turn your tech insights into viral sensations. Remember, every great video starts with a brilliant idea and the right tools. Now, It's your turn to make it happen. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks on creating standout content. Until next time, keep innovating and stay tech savvy.